Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make good tuna salad. First, select premium canned tuna, ideally packed in olive oil for superior taste. Drain it thoroughly but retain a small amount of the oil to keep the tuna moist. Gently flake the tuna with a fork, being careful not to mash it, ensuring a pleasant texture in every bite. This foundational step is crucial for an exceptional tuna salad. Next, let's create the perfect creamy dressing. In a bowl, combine 3/4 cup of your favorite mayonnaise with 1 tablespoon of tangy Dijon mustard. Stir in 1/2 teaspoon of celery salt and a generous pinch of freshly ground black pepper. Whisk these ingredients together until the mixture is completely smooth and well blended. This dressing forms the heart of our delicious tuna salad. Now we'll add the essential flavor boosters that elevate our tuna salad. Fold in 1/4 cup of finely diced celery, providing a delightful crunch and freshness. Introduce 2 tablespoons of minced red onion for a subtle, savory bite without overpowering the tuna. Finally, stir in 1 tablespoon of fresh chopped parsley, which brightens the entire dish with its vibrant herbaceous notes. These additions are key. For the final steps, gently fold the prepared dressing into the tuna and all the delicious mix-ins. It's important to avoid overmixing, as this can break down the tuna and make the salad mushy. Once combined, cover the tuna salad and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully, resulting in a truly exceptional dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.